Welcome to part 5 of modifying my PVC Airhorn with suggestions from the comments. I don't have much time because we got Little League to get to. This is my standard Airhorn with a 3/4 inch PVC pipe and a balloon on the end. And if you want to see how to make this, go check my first video. There's a step-by-step guide. It's simple, super easy. Since we're running low on time, we're going to do an easy one. My man Sam said it's time to move to copper. So here we go. I just put it together. We can try the PVC one and then try the copper and see if much changes. PVC, copper. And for everybody that keeps saying this is AI and not real, just go buy a cheap ass piece of PVC and try it. If it doesn't work, send me the bill, I'll pay for it. We're just getting started, so leave some comments, let me know what you want to do next, and we'll pick a random one and go for it.